Endo. I always heard they was. Boo! Got my bike out today, Losi Promoto. The purpose of this video is because I want to run this thing. I haven't ran this in almost a year. I finally fixed it. That's why y'all haven't seen it. Y'all haven't seen it in a while because I had to fix the shock and I just needed the piston. I didn't need nothing else. But today, I'm gonna run this thing. Hopefully I don't break it. I'm not gonna be too hard on it anyway. Endo. So stay tuned. Here she go. The bike is fun, you just need room. Got my little light right there. Not doing too good in this loose gravel, I see. Oh my God. Doing better than most cars back here. Now when they get this stuff right here, this rocky stuff, nothing is like this bike, I'll tell you that much. Endo. Oh, come on. That's the only thing about this bike. Once you go down, you're down. I think this was the best release yet, is this bike. And it's probably over a year old, if I'm not mistaken. I think the last time I rode this was like a year ago. And haven't had it out since. It takes some getting used to, but really not hard to drive at all. There's no point of upgrading or anything like that. Some people upgrade it, make it 3S and 4S for speed cars. I think it's fine the way it is. Just fine the way she is. I don't know why I have a hard time wheeling. Yo, what the heck was that? The handling is nice. I mean, this don't really need no upgrade. A lot of people upgrade these though, put the trail parts on there. I know a few people put some upgrade the wazoo out of this truck, this bike. I haven't did any besides the look of it. I may do it someday. As I don't know what that was. I don't know if the tires are just gripping like that or what. It's smooth too, man. This bike is smooth. I never had a bike before. I always heard they was hard to drive, so I never attempted to get one. Hard to keep them up and all that good stuff. I would like a little more push to it though, but I'll just leave it the way it is. I like seeing it kick up dirt. Got my little ramp over there. I may try some little jumps or something. Don't know yet. She loves the wheelie. I don't know what it was cooking on to make it fit like that. I want to see, can I line it up? Which I pretty much doubt. Get over here! Perfect! She's definitely gonna get on this grass. Knew that was gonna happen. Got the ramp wrong. Yeah, I mean, best release yet. Perfect. Little jump.
Yo, check this out.
Perfect. They need to make a trick bike. That would be awesome. A bike made for this stuff. Four-wheeler would be awesome. Yeah. I like that little lean he did right there. No. Be right back. I'm gonna try like one or two more jumps. I shouldn't even came all the way back here. Oh. That turn got to be wide.
Excellent.
You can hear that gyro kicking in. Don't know how to anchor in the air. ain't that slow. I never did a speed test on this before. I know it got to be like around. Oh. Don't think I heard too many complaints about the bike. Win the LBC. But yeah, I just wanted to get her out here and running real quick. You know, scratch her up a little bit. Yeah, this thing is awesome, man. But as always, I hope you enjoyed that video. Hit that like button, notification bell. Thanks for watching.